Hey guys, Jeff here with Jeff's Custom RC, and I just thought I'd come at you today, guys, with a short little video and a unboxing of something I received from my friend, Mr. Dustin Holloman, who is also known to you guys as RavenRock. These are the plates, guys, and the battery tray board for this beauty right here, and I'll be opening these up and showing them to you guys. Alright guys, so let's look in here, and Dustin, you did some great packaging, man. I'm digging this. This looks really nice. Yeah guys, these plates are looking really nice. I mean, Dustin, you've done a good job, buddy. I've always said that to everybody, but these just look awesome, man, and I do so appreciate it. Trust me, I will work this out with you however you want to, man, but these look really nice. Let's see what we got here. It's our battery tray. This is looking really good, guys. Check out the finish on this thing here. Super nice. I like it a lot. Very nice, Dustin. And then we've got our screws and things for the nose wheel to stiffen it up, and also another piece of balsa for that very thing that Dustin's come up with to stiffen up that nose wheel, guys. So that's everything that's in the box, and I'm telling you, Dustin did a good job, man. This looks great. I love the packaging, and he's even got some really nice instructions here for you guys. Tells you basically how to do everything, and shows you what parts come in your package, and shows you how to install the plates. So I'm impressed, man. Looking good, which I know how you do things, and very first class operation. But yeah guys, these are for the nose wheel, to stiffen that up. And everything in there looks really nice. I'll be excited to get that done. And we'll be going through this stuff with you guys on the channel some as well, on the Flight Club show on Tuesday nights. Hope you guys will join us and watch how we do this. Mr. Rich Baker will probably be dropping in from time to time and giving us his input. So thank you, Dustin, Mr. RavenRock. If you guys haven't checked him out, do check out his channel, like and subscribe. Get yours today. I think Dustin sells these for $100 shipped with everything you see here, and very nicely packaged. So yeah, if you got an F14 coming, or you got one you're working on, guys, definitely get you this setup right here, guys. This is super nice and will certainly strengthen those mains and the front nose wheel for you here, guys. So get yours today. RavenRock. I'm Jeff, and you're watching Jeff's Custom RC. RC with attitude, and the attitude is all about gratitude to my good friend Dustin. Thanks, buddy.